Are you preparing for IAS examination and you are still confused regarding the optional subject to be chosen because you have so many subjects: history, geography, public administration, sociology, and several other subjects? Now the question arises how to choose an optional subject, and you know that a wrong decision regarding the selection of subject can make and mar your fortunes in the IAS examination. It can spoil your chances. So right decision has to be taken. So the question arises how to take appropriate decision, how to decide it, whether to go for public administration or history or geography. So let us help you. There are three important things that you need to consider while deciding your optional subject. The first point is your natural inclination for the subject, which can also be other than what you have studied so far. It is not necessary that you have been a student of geography, so you will take geography as an optional subject. Secondly, to what extent your optional subject will cover the portion of general studies. So if you choose history or public administration, 30-35% syllabus can be covered. Third point that you need to remember, to what extent your optional subject will contribute to build up your line of thinking and personality as a future. I mean to say, you should have a long-term view of such decisions and which subject will help you throughout your career. And by that measure, public administration can be a good choice. Now the question arises, why? Why public administration can be a good choice? So let's have a look on the prospects for public administration or IAS examination. This diagram clearly suggests that public administration as an optional subject covers almost 35 to 40% of your entire syllabus of general studies. You talk about ethics or integrity, governance, polity, international relations, essay, all those things come within the broader bounds of public administration. Even if you don't take public administration, you will have to study all those subject matters. So more specifically, what are the strategic advantages of public administration as a subject? The first one is, in the wake of changes taking place in the examination, decision making has been very much important, and decision making is can be strengthened by studying public administration. Second point was 40% of syllabus is covered by public administration. Third point, it also helps you a lot in essay paper, and the most important, in the long term in your career and in your general understanding of the current affairs, public administration plays an important role. So no other optional subject can be compared with public administration when it comes to support your career as an IAS officer. And when it comes to choose the best institute for public administration, you can join IIIASA. 18 years of unmatched experience. So details are here. You can talk to us or you can write to us. Experience the joy of learning public administration under the guidance of Sajjan.